Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics out of the way. Make sure the Gmail app or your browser is updated, and clear cache and cookies so old files aren't slowing rendering. Once done, disable or remove browser extensions one at a time. Extensions often cause delays. Also, check your network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa, to rule out local router lag. These quick actions isolate common causes. They prepare you for deeper fixes if performance doesn't improve immediately. Now you clean and tune Gmail itself so it runs leaner. Start by archiving or deleting old threads and removing large attachments. Less data means faster loading. Next, adjust sync settings. Reduce the days to sync and limit which labels or categories actively sync. This lowers CPU and network use. Disable conversation view if threading causes slow rendering, and turn off background sync when you don't need push updates. These changes reduce processing overhead and improve responsiveness. Finish by restoring a clean client environment and validating the network. Reinstall the Gmail app or create a fresh browser profile, then sign in. This rules out corrupted local settings. Reset your modem and router with a power cycle and switch DNS to a fast resolver like 1 to reduce lookup delays. If problems remain, test with another Google account to isolate account-specific issues. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing helps, record exact times and actions that cause lag, so support can reproduce and fix the fault faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.